Hello friends, this is Aiba from A&D Delicious Cakes. Today I am going to show you how to make dough for mince. So here we start. So let's start the recipe.
So I took 4 potatoes, French bean, carrot, 400 grams carrot. Now cut the French bean, clean it nicely. Peel the carrot. Peel all the carrots. Now peel the potato. Peel it nicely. I peeled all the potatoes. Now cut the French bean very fine. You have to chop it very fine. Now cut the carrots very fine and put in cold water. Now cut the potatoes. That also has to be cut very fine. Potatoes are also to be kept in water. Now take a vessel with some water and put the French bean and also the clean carrots. Put all. Now add the potatoes and give a quick mix. Now keep the vessel on the gas or induction and cook it for around 20 minutes. In between you have to check it. Now it's boiling. Give a quick mix. Now it is ready. Once it is cool, add mayonnaise. And a pinch of black pepper. I forgot to show in the recipe. And give a good mix. Now take a plate and some tarts and fill them. Your Goan for mince